How to use CNFANS. This tutorial provides a comprehensive guide on how to use CNFANS, a platform that offers various benefits, including a free sign-up bonus. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process of registering, navigating the platform, and leveraging its features effectively. Visit the CNFANS registration page, cnfans.com. Fill out the registration form with your details. Confirm your email by checking your inbox for a verification link. Once verified, log into your new CNFANS account. After logging in, take a moment to explore the dashboard. Key areas to check is account balance, available offers, and withdrawal options. Use the navigation menu to familiarize yourself with different sections of the platform. For additional help and resources, join the CNFANS Discord community. Engage with other users to share tips and ask questions. Regularly check for new offers and promotions on CNFANS. Participate actively in the community to learn about exclusive deals, keep an eye on your account balance, and consider withdrawal options when appropriate. By following these steps, you can effectively navigate and make the most of your experience on CNFANS. Remember to engage with the community for ongoing support and stay updated on new offers. For further assistance, feel free to contact the channel owner via email or social media. Happy earning!
Don't forget to leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell button to stay updated on our latest uploads. If you have any questions or video recommendation, leave them down below.